looks old as hell. Here it is. Oh, wow. Got a slab on mod on the inside. Wipe the lens a little. Yikes. That's not good, but whatever. This side. Oh wow. That door looks a little rusted. This was installed by Ascensores Duplex up to 4. Down to 0. We'll watch the indicator. Oh, it actually shows the next stop. That's neat. I think these are Schaefer buttons. I'm not sure. Anyway. Oh, here's your inspection thing for Madrid. Anyway, that will be all. Pretty neat. Can you send it? I think you can. Oh no, those are just indicators. Oh no, you can send it from the outside. That's weird. I don't know what the point of that is. Anyway, that will be all. Maybe it's just going to get a call, but that's it.